This is Jon Daly from the EP Boulevard Pawn Shop here in Memphis. Now, I don't have to tell you where I am today. I'm here at Graceland, and the reason I'm here today is because we had an ice storm that has come in. I wanted to show you Graceland with all of the trees covered in ice. This is actually very, very cool looking. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see. Graceland is closed today, but if you look, everything is completely covered in ice up there. Some of the pine trees that are around here that I've seen, they've all fainted to the ground. Tish Henley had made a post and showed her trees, and yeah, she lost several of them. And then let's take a look across the street here. It's almost like a winter wonderland with everything just encased in ice. The roads are clear. That's good. But it is cold. There's Elisa Marie, and yeah, all of those are covered in ice. So if you're planning on coming to Graceland here on February the 4th, 2022, not today. The mansion is closed. All the grounds, everything, it's all closed up. But this is winter in Memphis. Normally we don't get a lot of snow down here, but when the ice comes in and they start predicting and calling for ice, that's a pretty serious call for us. You can see some branches actually that have come down right there because of the ice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, please like and subscribe. If you're coming down here to Graceland, be sure to stop in at Marlowe's and visit us in the gift shop over there. And online is epboulevardpawnshop.com.